In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of earning free coins to upgrade your profile on the Song Nhi app for better financial management. First, navigate to your account setting. Below your account name, you'll find your total coin balance. Click the coin balance, then select the Get Free Coins button. First, click the Share with Friends option, copy your referral link and invite friends to manage their finances. Plus, you and your friends will earn free months of Song Nhi for each successful referral. For example, your friend signs up for a Song Nhi account using your referral link and successfully purchases coins. Now your friend selects the referral code option to enter your referral code, then click the Submit button. A successful pop-up will appear. And now, back to coin history to track your rewards. Both you and your friend will receive the same referral coins. With the Redeem a Special Code option, Song Nhi offers special awards or bonus coins. Click the Get Free Coin button, then enter the code Song Nhi app and click Submit. Finally, return to your coin balance to check the history and confirm the coins you've received. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.